Now we are going to discuss the PTE writing, what questions will come and how you have to solve them with examples. So it has two parts: summarize written text. The number of questions will be around 1 to 3. The details of the task is around that you have to read a given passage and summarize it into just single sentence. The time will be 10 minutes. The length of the text of the paragraph is around 400 words, but you have to write a sentence from 50 to 75 words. So the skill assessed are reading and writing. Then second part is essay. Essay will be only one, not one and two, only one will come. And then you have to write an essay of words minimum 200 and maximum 300 in 20 minutes. And only writing will be assessed. So these are the connectives that should be you know before doing the BT writing. Like additionally, although, besides, consequently, further, more, hence, however, in addition, and so many. You can also search a list on the Google to find more connectives. So first of all, I have to explain the summarized written text. What are the tips and tricks that you should know before attempting this question in your PTE exam? So you have to understand the passage quickly. Like you have to read entire passage once, identify main ideas and key points, then only one sentence you have to write the answer, maximum 75 words. Use a template. It can be a smart trick, like main idea which is supported by the point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, and so on. According to me, at least 5 to 7 points should be added in your exam. Then use linking words like which, who, that, although, and the connectives. Then you have to prioritize accuracy over length, like aim for 40 to 60 words. So this is a question that you can attempt an example. A thriving campus community essential for students' holistic development and success. It goes beyond academics and encompasses sense of belonging, support, and engagement that plays a vital role in their educational journey. One of the fundamental aspects of a vibrant campus. Okay, so you can read it. I can tell you the answer. A thriving campus community fosters student success through peer conditions and connections, belonging, and engagement. This supportive environment reduces isolation, improves mental health, and enhances motivation for academic and personal growth. So if you can see, the answers is only in 3 sentences and the maximum number of words are 75. So as you can see, there are commas are used and these things are used, so that should be a single sentence. So now the important tips for PTE essay writing, that what should you have to keep in mind and what have you to prepare before attempting the essay, because this is the most crucial part for many of the students who don't know how to speak and write in English. So basically you have to divide it into 4 parts: introduction, like the general statement about the topic, then the body number 1, like the topic, the address, the one part of the question, an example, link, then the part 2, and finally you have to conclude your answer. So the tips for essay are, you have to understand the question. Obviously you have to analyze keywords, that what they are want from you, like its opinion, discussion, problem, or solution. Then use a clear structure: introduction, like paragraph plus opinion, paragraph 2, paragraph 1, 2, and conclusion. Then you have to keep a sentence simple and clear, avoid complicated grammar, use linking words, use vocabulary wisely, like use academics words where possible, avoid repetition. Like repetition means that if you want to say important, then you can say significant, necessary, very important, like these things. Okay, and then manage time. So the planning for only 2 minutes, you have to write for 18 minutes, and proofread is also in 2 minutes, and stay within the word limit, like 200 and 300 words. Like if I share my personal experience, then I have written around 270 to 280 words, and I spend more time in proofread because there are plenty of spelling mistakes and other things that occur in quickly, so you have to take time for this. So then this is again like a question, like you have 20 minutes to plan, write and revise an essay about the topic below. Your response will be judged on how well you develop a possible and organize your ideas, present supporting details, and control the elements of standard within English. You should write 200 to 300 words. These are the official statement that will come in your exam. So this is a essay that tobacco, mainly in the form of cigarettes, is one of the most widely used drug in the world. Over a billion adults legally smoke tobacco every day. The long-term health costs are high for smokers themselves and for the country in terms of the healthcare. Okay, so these are the words for essay that you should remember, like significant issue. So basically I made a list, and there are some general vocabulary, there are some formal verbs, there are some useful adjectives, and then academic linking words. So all of you should take a screenshot of this page, or you can write down in your copy in your notebooks, so that you should remember, and you can also google for more words like them. Then the top PT essay topics are education, like importance of formal education, online learning versus traditional classroom learning. Students should know their teachers, environment, how to take climate change, pollution is a serious problem. So these are the some top essay topics that I searched that come in the previous PT exams, and if you prepare and if you read all of them, then I am 100% sure, not even 99, I am 100% sure that one of the topic will come in your exam. Even when I took my PT exam, so the question, I am not telling you the exact question, I don't know I am allowed or not, but the question from these topics come in my exam, as well as from some of my students gave. And like this is the main page that you have to remember and practice.